China Tianjin Recare Company Limited is a company focused on condom industry and distribution in China. Condoms supplied by Recare gain reputation for its durability and reliability in worldwide government tenders, commercial markets, non-commercial market. We are also the supplier of UN. With our specialized rapid diagnostic test technologies, strict quality assurance, brand recognition, innovative research and development techniques, customer-centric design, an experienced management team, and an energetic sales force, Recare continues to set the standards in product quality and reliability. We believe in continually improving our products and service, and making the business relationship a beneficial experience for both customers and employees. We have been assessed and certified to the requirement of CE, ISO 13485, and Associated Company Free Sale Certificate. Associated Company all production processes are monitored permanently, data and regularly collected and evaluated. A certain number of condoms from each batch are selected to undergo further tests. Condoms from each batch are archived, and precision machinery and 100% inspection guaranteed the quality. With the help of the batch number, it is possible to determine the time of manufacture, the machines responsible, and the materials used for each individual condom. So we promised thoughtful customer quality, attentive service, prompt delivery time, competitive price. We are your satisfactory supplier.